If you are thinking about opening a MoneyLion account, one of the smartest questions to ask is this: what bank is MoneyLion actually under? This matters because it affects your money's safety, FDIC insurance, and how reliable the platform really is. MoneyLion itself is not a traditional bank. It is a financial technology company, often called a fintech. Fintech companies build financial apps and services, but they usually partner with licensed banks to hold customer funds and provide regulated banking services. So when people ask what bank MoneyLion is under, they are really asking which regulated bank is behind the scenes. MoneyLion's primary banking partner is Pathward National Association. You may also see this bank referred to by its former name, MetaBank. MetaBank officially changed its name to Pathward NA, but it is the same institution. Pathward is a federally chartered bank in the United States and a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, also known as the FDIC. This partnership is what allows MoneyLion to offer checking-style accounts, debit cards, and other core banking features. When you open a MoneyLion account, especially the Roar Money account, your funds are not sitting with MoneyLion itself. They are held at Pathward NA in an account established for your benefit. This is an important distinction because it means your money is protected by the same federal rules that apply to traditional banks. FDIC insurance is one of the biggest concerns for anyone choosing a digital banking app. With MoneyLion, eligible deposits are insured by the FDIC through Pathward, up to the standard limit of $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category. This means that if something were to happen to Pathward, your insured funds would still be protected within those limits. Another point many people want clarity on is whether MoneyLion uses only one bank. While Pathward is the main partner for its deposit accounts, MoneyLion may work with additional regulated institutions for specific services such as card issuing, payment processing, or lending infrastructure. However, for everyday banking and deposits, Pathward is the core bank behind MoneyLion. Understanding this setup helps answer a bigger question: is MoneyLion legit? From a regulatory standpoint, MoneyLion operates legally by partnering with an FDIC-insured bank, which is the standard model used by many well-known fintech platforms. This structure allows MoneyLion to offer modern app-based features while relying on a traditional bank for compliance and deposit protection. It is also worth explaining how this affects you as a user. When you see MoneyLion branding in the app, you are interacting with MoneyLion's technology and user experience. When your money is stored, transferred, or insured, those functions are backed by Pathward's banking license. In simple terms, MoneyLion handles the interface and features, while Pathward handles the regulated banking side. If you are comparing MoneyLion to other digital banking apps, this model is very common. Many popular fintech apps operate in exactly the same way, using one or more partner banks to provide FDIC insurance and compliance. The key thing to check is always the name of the partner bank and whether it is FDIC insured. Before opening a MoneyLion account, it is smart to review the account disclosures inside the app or on the official website. These disclosures clearly state that banking services are provided by Pathward NA, member FDIC. This transparency is a good sign and allows you to verify the information yourself. Another practical question people often ask is whether MoneyLion can freeze or control your funds. Like most fintech platforms, MoneyLion has certain controls within its app, but the underlying bank still follows federal banking rules. Any account restrictions are subject to standard compliance requirements such as identity verification, fraud prevention, and regulatory reviews.